They just mad come out your hard. Man, y'all play on me, man. Yo.
In my truck, hard. And I keep going, you're harder. I swear on the scene, my truck looking mean. And yeah, I don't go for it all the D haters.
Man,
They watching me doing my dance. Bands, over a track, that man. My truck, hard. And I keep going, you're harder. I swear on the scene, my truck looking mean. And yeah, I don't go for it all the D haters.
So before the video begins, if you want to stay in the loop of everything I'm doing, you can follow me on Instagram at Lucky7Garage_ on Instagram, and you can see everything I'm doing ahead of time. You can text me, ask me questions or anything like that, or you can comment, like whatever, ask any questions. I like questions, so just ask questions. I'm live all the time. I'm always posting. I'm always on Instagram, so you can always ask me any questions. So yeah, now let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, list of parts, and these are one of them. I think my camera, I can see my camera and what it's looking at on my phone. So I think it's a good camera angle right here. I think the lighting is good. I just changed my light bulb so it's brighter now. Just hope it's not like a glare. It doesn't look like to me, but I think this is my. First of all, I got this from Dregs. It'll be a number of parts coming, but this is just one that came today. I was in the shower. I literally just got out of the shower. My hair is a little still wet, actually. But we're going to open this up. We're going to see. Hopefully, I bet you somebody's going to knock on my door, watch. And interrupt my unboxing. Let's see what we got. I think I know what this is, though, since I can see how the box is. I think this is my dipstick, I think. Okay, Jags. It's a new kind of box. I've never seen this kind of box before. It folds in. Pretty cool. Nicely packaged. Oh, ooh. Did they give me any stickers? Wait, I think they sent everything in one box. Hold up. This might be a good. Oh, okay. So we got flexible dipstick tube. So I'll take it out. Just give me a second. Okay. This is my distributor hold down thing for small block Ford. That's the part number on it if you want it. So you can see that. That's the part number on it. And we got our Tommy cover bolts, also from Dregs. There's a part number on it. Or the part number is on there. There you go. And these things, okay. So this is being I have an electric water pump. I'm not gonna run a thermostat. I'm just gonna run restrictors. And these are the restrictors. It's 3 in there, but there's different sizes. There are bigger ones and smaller ones. No stickers, but they did give me this catalog of transmissions and camshafts, rear ends, valve covers, oil pans. Lots of engines and stuff like that. Shout out to Jags. Thanks for the parts. So now I'm not gonna open everything, but I really want to open this thing because this is the most critical part that I needed. Ooh, very nice. So nice quality. Show you. I think this is where I can mount it. I think I can bend this and mount it somewhere, but this bends and whatnot and whatever. So I'm not gonna bend it like a 90-degree angle, but hey, it's flexible. So this is the dipstick. There's a nice billet piece up here. So it tells you it's low and full. This is nice, and it's an O-ring in here. like right here where where it goes down here, it's O-ring right there. So if that ever fails, and I can just buy an O-ring. It's on AM fittings, and this is right here. This goes into the block. These are double O-ringed. I don't know if you can see like the little two things there. That's double O-ringed. So it should just push in there. I could just bend this tab somewhere, or this way or that way, and then just mount it somewhere. I might like mount it to one like the header bolts or something like that. I don't know. Bless me. But I think that's about it for the unboxing. Shout out to Jegs again. I'm gonna be busting these. I don't want to do it right now because still people here, and I don't want to get on somebody's nerves about busting those things down. Cause it kind of gets annoying. It's kind of scary. It's kind of scary sometimes. But I mean, hey, everything else looks correct. All the bolts came with washers. Nice bolts. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Legacy7Garage_. And that's it.